Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's the Silver Fox here. Hey, another update on that 2023 Peace Dollar Director Strike. I've only been able to see one listing on eBay so far as pricing goes. If you have the Director COA and I'm kind of curious how much it's worth, or you're going to sell it. So I've only seen one listing and one listing sold. So same listing, sold $12.95 with 95 cents free ship. So just kind of do some rough math here. They take about 12%, and then you got to ship it. So you're probably netting around $1,100 or so. Just a guesstimate off the top of my head, which is pretty good money for a piece of paper signed. So that's what I'm seeing out in the market right now. I'll probably do an update video if I see any more come out. And I know one subscriber, or not subscriber, but one viewer has got a COA in hand, which is pretty awesome, thinking about 200, or only 200 were issued out there randomized. So if you do have a COA, let me know. What's your number? Are you gonna sell it? Are you gonna keep it? What you gonna do with it? And congrats if you found one. Gonna do a couple other videos later on, and stay tuned. This is kind of interesting, exciting for the hobby, so might as well report on it, right? All right, guys, we'll see you.